Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I've recently had a comment from someone called Emerald Studios, and they were saying, anything on quantizing drums? To which I replied, MIDI drums or audio? And they put, well, both really, mate. So here you go, Emerald, here's a video for you. And anyone else that's looking at quantizing MIDI drums, or audio drums for that matter. Before I get into this video though, click like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, so I've wrote out a little drum pattern. This is the VST here, so this is MIDI drums and this is the audio of it, and I've purposefully made it a bit out of time, so I'll play it through. It's just a basic drum beat. Quite sloppy. Right, so the way that I would quantize this is I'd double click it to open it up on the editor, and then what I'd do is highlight everything by pressing Ctrl and A, and then if you're working with say 16 rhythms, then set this to 16, but this beat is only in eighths, so we don't need 16s. It'll be more accurate with eighths. And what I normally do is I set this randomizer to about 4 or 5 ticks. I'll put it as 5 here. And what this does is it'll put every single hit on time with one of these lines. So this grid is set to eighths. But see how it says randomizer 5, because I've moved that random, the tick thing. So it's saying 1/8 random 5. And that's basically the quantize information. So this is going to push it all perfectly in time with these lines, but then randomize it left or right, so it can be slightly off, which gives it a bit more of a human feel to it. And then I'm going to click this button here, apply quantize, and it's done. I'll play it again, and I'll put the click on this time so then you can hear how in time it is. You can play around with the randomizer a bit if you want and get it a bit more sloppy or a bit more in time, it's up to you. The swing thing is also good for that as well, but you don't want to use it too much. I'll demonstrate that. I'll put it to about 10%. And then you click quantize again, and that'll just give it a slight swing to it. Right, on to audio. Okay, so this is the audio of that same thing. It's still quite sloppy. You can hear how out of time that is. All you do for this is click on the audio and then make sure this is selected here, audio warp quantize on off, and then click this E to open up this panel, and then click quantize. Make sure it's set to the same thing as before, so make sure you've got it set to the eighths, and this is set to random 5 again, so exactly the same as the MIDI one. And then click quantize, and it's done. If you have the drum file separate, so the kick drum on one track, the snare on another track, and cymbals, etc., then you're going to want to do that same technique where you quantize, but just for every single track. And that should put all your drums in time. I think that this audio quantize thing is only available in Cubase Pro version. It might be available in Artist, I'm not sure. The quantizing of the MIDI though is available in all versions. So I hope this video has helped. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if it's helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.